Hi, I'm Marna, and I have a hack for a baby alive baby bottle using a human bottle. I got this at the Dollar Tree for $1. And my cameraman, editor, director, producer bought these magnets, and I'm going to have him put the name of them across the screen. And what we're going to do is, these are really strong magnets. Now she's a little weaker, but we're going to try something a bit different. I don't really like the magnets down in the nipple because it scrapes the mouth as it goes in and out.
I'm such a big girl.
With a glue gun on the inside of the bottle, and I recommend at the bottom so that it hits the mouth. This is not for children. This is a magnet, and your children really should not play with magnets. And I can't guarantee that this will stay right where you put it because I'm not there to see how you are putting your glue in. Now I'm going to use a little extra on either side, and you can still add fluids. Look at that. You can still add fluids and it'll go past the magnet. Just be careful when you're cleaning your bottle to clean up under the magnet. Okay, we have our battery up in the doll. I did switch dolls because I think the battery's getting weak in my dark-headed doll. And I thought maybe it was the magnet, but it is not. Can you hear her? I know that she has good batteries in her because we were playing with it. So that's an idea for hiding your magnet inside a human baby bottle. You can see I changed the batteries in this particular doll, and she's louder talking, and this does work. Can you hear it? Mm-hmm. In this doll.
Thanks, Mommy.
Thank you for watching our video. We do have many more Baby Alive videos with hacks and crafts, and especially reusable diapers and other clothing ideas.